What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to complete Shackled God, which is under Faction Quests, Aeserion the Great Serpent, as Shackled God down here. You'll need to enter the Serpent Shrine area and then step into the altar in the Sanctuary. This is located all the way down to the far south, middle side of the map, just below Delesia over here. To get there, come across to this cliff and then just parachute your way across. Let's do that. Now, as you can see, this giant snake roaming around here, it's not going to hurt you, don't worry. And if you've got a cuckoo pod, you can collect Aeserion scales here, which is a fantastic way to level up your weapons into higher rarities. This little tower that I've landed on over here is exactly where you need to come and climb up onto, so we can listen to the serpent speak, and then afterwards, we're now told to defeat the Ancients. If we head across to Faction Quests, back into Aeserion the Great Serpent, the Ancients, if we view information using F, shows us Priscus the Ancient, Pravis the Ancient, and Primus the Ancient. All three of these are boss battles that you'll need to head off and do. Now, I guess I've done these two already, so I'll just need to mark this third one and head across to it. Once you beat Primus, or all three of them, for which this guide's not going to cover, that'll take way too long, you obtain the artifacts, then we can make our way back. Once we do, you'll likely see that these soldiers have respawned. If you want to sort them out, you can. It'll mean less damage when you're helping the snake. This AI will spawn over here, as well as on this cliff over there too, but it doesn't really matter if you sort them out or not. Either ways, we can now make our way back towards the main island, and over here we're asked to help out Aeserion the Great Serpent, where we'll now need to break all of these small and large red mushroom type things on him. We can either climb on him or use the bow to do so. I think you'll need to use a charged attack if you want to pick the ranged option, which will result in much less damage. Either ways, once we've cleared everything out, which unfortunately does include these small ones and the big ones, once we've then done so, you'll need to make your way towards these little metal pillars that are left in Aeserion, like this one over here. We'll need to enter focus and then charge up a focused force palm, moving this little green icon on our screen all the way towards this actual thing until eventually it glows yellow, much like, I think I'm a bit too far for that. Let's try again right here. Focused force palm, we'll hold it and wait until eventually, there we go, we can let go and it should knock off one piece, kicking us way up into the sky, and we just need to do that 2 more times for the other metal pieces left behind. It seems like only parts of this giant snake are electrified, so you'll take damage here and there, but just move along 2 different areas and it should hopefully be a little bit better. So let's do the second one here. There we go. And finally the last one, all 3 of which are located near the front of the snake. So there we go. We've now successfully cleansed Aeserion and ticked off that part of the quest. And Aeserion has now been freed. As for whether you can or can't get Aeserion scales there anymore, I'm pretty sure they'll still spawn randomly on this island, even though Aeserion isn't there. Anyways, that's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time.